Hey there! Welcome to this week's episode of the Social Maggie Show. You probably noticed that I have been away for a couple of weeks, and that's because I moved again, and I am all settled in. So this is my first show in 2 weeks. So I am so happy that you can tune in to this show. Now, this week we are going to be talking about the Facebook business page call to action button. So that is the button that is on your business page right underneath your cover image. So some of you might not know that there's a great selection of different buttons that you can choose from, and you want to make sure that you're using the right one for you and your business. But before we get into all of that, I just want to say, if you are new to me or new to my show, that I am Maggie, Social Maggie, and I am a Facebook coach, trainer, course creator, and implementer, meaning I help you not just learn how to do social media for your business, but also to make sure that you implement, you take action, and that you have a resource through me to help you and answer your questions so you get the results that you want. Because on our Facebook pages, we want to get engagement. We want to get the results that we want. So if you are just joining in, I want you to know that you are in the right place. If you have a Facebook business page, maybe it's new, or maybe you've had it for a while, but you're just not using it as well as you think that maybe you could be. So this is a great place for you to get insights and tips on that. And every week I will be bringing you something of value that you can take away with and put into action. So today we are going to be looking at that call to action button. Now, I am using StreamYard, and you can see that you can see their logo up in the corner there. Now, just so you know, I am new to StreamYard. I've used it a couple of times, but I'm just getting really more familiar with it, and I'm just trying to play around with it and see what I can do. So I wanted to use this there, the Social Media Show. Okay, so I've corrected that now. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now. So let's hope this works. Almost there. There we go. Okay, so you should be seeing me on the side as well as my Facebook business page. Okay, so here's my Facebook business page. Now, I think I can make that bigger for you. There. So hopefully you are seeing that, and that you can see when I am moving my cursor. So here is my cover image, and as you scroll down, here is that Facebook call to action button. So on mine, because I'm on my page, it's going to show me that I have selected visit group as my call to action button. Now it says edit in front of it because this is my page. If I go to view as visitor, then we are looking at my page as if I'm a visitor like you. Okay, so here's my page, and you can see that I'm live. Okay, so when you come to my page, you're going to see that looks like this, visit group, right? Okay, so let's exit out of that view, go back to my page where I can edit. So I'm going to click on edit visit group, and you can see you can test the button, to make sure it goes to where it's supposed to go, and you can edit your button. So if you edit your button, it's going to open up all of the choices that you have for the different calls to actions that you can choose from. And look, there are so many, right? So we've got follow, view gift card. So that's going to take you to a website where people could purchase your your gift card, order food, same sort of thing. Book now. So maybe you're holding an event or a registration of some sort or an opt-in page. You could say book now, call now. So you can let, so when people click call now, they are going to be taken to where you want to receive calls. Contact us. Now you can send people to your website, like your info page, your contact info page on your website, and send a message. Now, a lot of times, this is what you will see, send a message, and that is going to go to your page's inbox or to Messenger. So that's great because if you're on the go, you are going to see that show up in Messenger. Now, if you're using the WhatsApp app, you can now connect to that as well. So if you prefer to use your WhatsApp account, you can put your information in to get that set up for you. You can send an email. Again, it's straightforward. You just put in the email address you want people to contact you. Learn more. So maybe you're holding a course or an event or something, and it's just giving them more information about something. And maybe it's on a separate website. You can put in that URL so people are redirected there. Sign up. Again, this is great if you have a newsletter or you want somebody to join something that you're working on. And again, you can use the website URL that people will be redirected to. And use an app. So more and more small businesses are getting their own app. And so if you have an app, you can connect your app there, play a game. Now, I don't think many of us are have our own games to connect to, but that is an option. Visit group, that is the one that I'm currently using. Watch video. Again, so you could take somebody off Facebook to your own website to watch your video, and view shop. Now, view shop is going to take you to your shop on your page. Now, depending on the different templates that you have chosen, so the template that I am using for my Facebook page gives me view shop. Now, some of the templates are also going to give you an additional one that's shop now, and that can take you off of Facebook, where you can put in your website URL, so they get redirected, so your customers get redirected to your shop that's offline. So that would be to find your shop if you're using Shopify or something like that. Okay, so that is the selection of buttons, and you can edit them at any time. So let's say I want to change it to, let's just go here, sign up. So if I click sign up, you can see I can simply put in the website address there, and then I can save it, and you're good to go. And so that's going to change this button here to say, what did I say? Book now. So that can that will change to that. So that is how you can utilize your button. Now, I just want to show you, I'm going to go back to view as visitor for a second. Okay, so here's my cover, and you can see I have here, join my community Facebook group, engage your fans on Facebook, and I have an arrow down to visit group. So I am using that call to action so people know they can sign up to my Facebook group by going visit group here. And so when they go there, if they're a member, they'll get, they'll already have access to the group. If they're new, then they're going to have to answer the questions and ask to be approved to join the group. Okay, so the other thing is that I wanted to show you, when you create a post, you can also have some choices. So you would create your post, add your video or your image, write something here, but then if you click on these three dots, you're going to get some more options here. You can add to your post, and here you are going to be able to tag products. So if you've got something in your shop, you could tag your product there. Now, if you say get messages and you click on that, that is going to add it to your post. So people are going to actually see, when you publish your post, they're going to actually see that get message. So they're going to see that they can click there and they can click on that button in the post, which is the call to action button, and they can message you from your post. So that is an option as well if you're not familiar with that or used to that. Now I'm just going to go back to my StreamYard. I'm going to stop the share. Okay, so we are back. All right, so if you have any questions or you want to comment on anything like that, I'm just going to go see if anybody has commented. So I have no questions, but if you are catching this on the replay, why not leave a hashtag replay below so I know that you've caught it that way. And if you have any questions afterwards, just pop them in there. I'll be able to see them and give you your answers. So I hope that that information helps you understand all the selection that you have with your buttons, how they can work for you. And, you know, sometimes you want to change them up, right? So right now I'm directing people to my Facebook group, but if I'm running a promotion, I might change my cover image to that promotion, and then I might change that call to action button to be, you know, join, sign up now, or learn more, or book now, or something. So, so check those out and see if you should be using a different one. If you're using, or maybe you're using the right one already. So that is the end of today's show, and I just want to let you know too that I'm going to put the link to my visit group, to my Facebook group. So if you haven't joined yet, you can click on that link and it will take you right there, and you can join in another fun over in my group. So I'm also in the group put in a little a post on how what kind of topic you might be interested in if I were to run a one-day workshop. And so if you join my group or you're already in the group, go find that post. Let me know what your answer is, A, B, or C, or maybe D, and that will tell me what workshop you are interested in doing. It'll just be a one-day workshop. It's in December, and it's to get geared up for 2021 because it is only 26 days from now. And so we want to get started thinking about planning and getting, you know, ahead of ourselves. So when it comes January 1st, we've got a plan. We know what we're going to be doing for January. And so we want to start putting that together now. So check that out. I'll put the link to that post too in the text up above. So anyway, that is today's show. Thank you for joining me today. And I will see you back here next week at 3 o'clock on Friday. So bye for now.